Hello, welcome to Brick City Printing. My name is Becky Buttons, and in this video, I'm going to tell you all about our retail-ready random button box. Do you have a retail store, boutique, or merch table you need to fill up with adorable swag? Well, you're in luck because this is a great solution to that problem. You can upload a variety of different graphics or just one graphic and have our design team make some color and size variations for you. We'll make them into buttons, fill up a box, customize the front of it, and send it out to you. You can also choose from some of our pre-made stock designs as well. These boxes are a little bit bigger than your average button box, so you can use them for big buttons too if that's your thing. This is a great way to showcase your logo, have a point of sale impulse buy, or just fill up your store with some cute swag. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and get that button box order in today. Thank you.